Hello, this video is a tour of Loft, a smartphone and tablet repair specialist here in Birmingham, Alabama. We're located next to Taco Bell and Publix on Caldwell Mill Road in Valleydale. We wanted our logo to symbolize tech as well as comfort. Our store hours are Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 2. Here's our loft area. We have free Wi-Fi and complimentary iPad devices to use while you wait to get your smartphone fixed. Here's our main counter where you drop off your iPhone, Android phone, Windows phone, tablet, iPad to get fixed, cracked screen, or water damage. We do lots of different repairs. If you're not sure, just ask. Here is our coffee bar. We have a scale to make sure we get the ratio right, Baratza grinder, and a Bonavita coffee maker, as well as our Berkey for water filtration. We use Seeds coffee, comes from a local roasting house here in Birmingham. And we have smartphone accessories here. We carry Braven Bluetooth speakers, ballistic cases, Spigen cases, and sketch cases currently for the iPhone and iPad. Thanks so much for watching.